Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 48 of 3 words and expressions of 100 day. Review first. 抱歉 sorry. 报警 call the police. 拜托 request somebody to do something. 小吃 snack. 做饭 cooking. 烧烤 barbecue. 包括include 半价 half price 搬家 move house 服务 service 保安 security 办法 method 加倍 double 背包 backpack 杯子 cup okay. Today follow me to learn 比如毕业标题 in Chinese characters. The first one for today 比如means for example. 比如比如女口比如 for example. Next one for today 毕业毕业 means graduate. Graduate 毕业比 This one. And 10 in Chinese. Year. 毕业 graduate. We are graduates of the same year. 我们是同期毕业的。毕业。Next one for today. 标题。标题 means headline or title. She hasn't titled her article. 她还没有给自己的文章加标题。标题。标木字旁是2小题是页标题 title。比如 for example 毕业 graduate 标题 title. That's all for today. Let me know what do you want to add in your DIY Chinese dictionary in a comment below. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.